last piece we're going to play as a combined group comes from the film Mary Poppins. So the two brothers who wrote it were called the Sherman Brothers, and they were popular for writing most of the early Disney music. And the Sherman Brothers asked Walt Disney himself one day, "What's your favourite song? You must have a favourite song from all the films we've written music for." And he came out saying that this, Feed the Birds, is his favourite song. So it's about the benefits of giving to charity and how people should really be mindful of others. And the whole story is about giving tuppence for a bag of breadcrumbs to feed the birds. So this is Feed the Birds.